All right, so now that we have our player and we can spawn food, I want to spawn food in and be able to pick it up with my player to score points. So what I can do is place my food. I can call this place food function, and then I need a collision or on overlap with the sprite to check to see if the player overlaps with the food. So we're going to say sprite dot on overlap, and remember what this is passing in. Is passing in the kinds, both of the kinds. So we're going to say sprite kind dot player and sprite kind dot food. And did I actually set this? Oh, I did not. Okay, so I need to make sure this sprite kind is food. Whoops, forgot to set the kind of sprite there. Anyway, sprite kind dot player, sprite kind dot food, and then we'll have our function that runs when they overlap. So when the food and the player overlap, one thing I want to do is destroy the food. So remember we can pass our player and our food here, and we're going to say food dot destroy. And I believe that's a function. And so now it's going to place food. Just have to find it, and it destroys the food. The other thing I want to do is create a score. So we're going to say info dot set score to 0. And then when I overlap, info dot change score by +1. And let's find our food. Boop, it goes up by 1. The other thing I want to do when this happens is I want to place another food. So this is going to be my trigger to place the next food. So we'll find our food, boom, and then that should have placed another food. There we go. Okay, so we got kind of a game. It's not super duper interesting, but it is a game nonetheless. We're going to make it more interesting, but this is the basic idea. We're going to be moving around trying to grab the food.